Welcome to Fall 2018 at Rowan Cabarrus Community College. My name is Melissa Waller, and I am your instructor for either your online classes or your seated classes. There are 3 keys to success in my classes. The first key is to remember grades are like money. Okay? You have to earn your money in this class. You have to earn your paychecks. The second thing I need you to remember is to check your Blackboard and email every day. Use your student email. I will not email you back at your personal email. So set up your student email and use your email. Also, make sure you keep in constant contact with me. Something goes awry in your life, I should be one you contact. Let me know what's going on. See what I can do to help you. The third thing I need you to do is I need you to ask questions. Either ask questions online, ask questions in class. I love questions. I love a challenge. And I love to help you learn. Lastly, I want to tell you that I look forward to having a great semester with you. So let's lock this semester, and I look forward to hearing from you or seeing you this week.